Real quick, back on the roof again as always. Just want to give you guys a quick scientific explanation on the proper way to flash a chimney. Now, this chimney is not one that we did, it's already flashed, but there's two things going on here. If you see the green, that's copper. All right, copper's nice and shiny in the beginning, and then it turns green. People love that look. This copper is original. All right, it's all the way back in about 2.5 inches behind the brick. This is during the initial building of the chimney in the home. So copper's phenomenal, all right? But the problem is, underneath, they used step flashing for the shingles, which is correct, but they used aluminum. All right? Problem is, when you put down aluminum and it touches the copper, they start to kind of eat each other and erode. If you look real closely, I'm not sure if you can zoom in, but you can see in this corner here, it's already starting to eat itself, and it's starting to disappear, which is going to leave a void, which was already left, and these guys just tried to caulk their way out of it. So I didn't get word this chimney's leaking, all right, but this is no good. So if you ask for a copper chimney, then it has to be copper step flashing used and copper nails used to secure the step flashing, all right, and then the copper flashing. If you're going to go aluminum, then you can use the regular galvanized nails, aluminum step flashing, aluminum counter flashing. That's the way you do it. So aluminum, copper, anything else, just call Justin.